This video got a Ford Focus. Now check out a Rattle underneath. The 16 HDI. Okay, we checked all the bushings and links here, nothing there, so we're going on the back here to the back here. So tapped the exhaust a few times and I was discovered it's just the heat shield. It's broke away, so it's a common rattle on your Ford Focus. Heat shield just broke away here. So we'll screw it to the nut there, put a washer on here, tighten her up. That's all to it. So your Ford Focus, you get a rattle underneath. It's usually the old heat shields came loose. You can see there, it just came through the mic. So we'll put a bigger washer on here and we'll just put it back on again, tighten it up. And see on the other side. So if you have a Ford with a nasty rattle underneath, that's usually what it is. Just the old heat shield came loose. Next step, get a wee piece of steel here. Not the wee cup there. Make a wee locking clip. You push this up in its place, it'll lock it in place and keep the yard from rattling. Now it's locked in place, it won't rattle. You have it, one there, and there's one up on there. So that's our rattle fixed now on our Ford Focus.